Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that many unboxings lately, but I've been too busy with work, my real work job, which is working at Walmart. But anyways, as you can see here, I needed another external hard drive for DJing because the one that I got wasn't working for me correctly or some sort. The SanDisk that I did an unboxing of last year. And so this one is so cool because I was looking around at what do the professional DJs like David Guetta, Laid Back Luke, James Hype, Tiesto, Afrojack, and Jax Jones, Calvin Harris, and all these DJs basically like Carl Cox, Armin van Buuren. What type of external do they use? Because the one that I bought, not that it was bad, it's just that it doesn't communicate with my MacBook Pro that much anymore. When I connect it, the little icon doesn't show and it was giving me trouble. I don't know why. But anyways, I got this one because this is the one that I've seen a lot of people use for DJing. And it's basically, one of those type of SSDs that is really good. As you can see, it says Pro Series there. And I've never had this company before. Crucial by Micron. Anyways, they recommended me that for DJs, they recommended this Crucial X10, the Crucial X9, and the Crucial X9 is also a Pro Series because I saw it today at Best Buy. And also, they recommended me the Samsung T7 external and the Samsung T9 external. And then there was another external that I researched myself, which is the SanDisk Pro G4. But that was like $336. I wasn't going to spend that much. It was 4 terabytes or something. This one's 2 terabytes. I've never had a 2 terabyte external before. As you can see here, it does, the read speed is 2100 and the write speed is 2000. And it does dust resistant, water resistant, and password protection. Blazing fast storage, great for video and for professional video, like GoPros and all that kind of cool stuff. And just a lot of stuff. Not much to say about the box. Here's what you usually get. Here's what you get. You get this like pamphlet. I guess it's like your little guide pamphlet in different languages here, like, Here we go, English. Getting started. Oh yeah, data transfer software, installation guide, and optimization firmware. So I gotta get the firmware update, basically is what they're saying. And then it just says, need help. There's not really much to say. At least, all they're saying is to get the data transfer software and then optimize I guess the software is going to let me know if there's any firmware, because mostly the firmwares on this these SSDs always need to be updated, because what happens is they've been sitting in the store or in the warehouse for a long time, and new firmwares updates have been coming out since they've been sitting there. So it probably has the older firmware updates. But anyways, let's get with the unboxing, shall we? It's so this is USB-C to USB-C to USB-C. Grand. Awesome. It's a short one too. And here's the SSD itself. Super tiny. I saw Laid Back Luke with something like this recently. and he had his external attached to the back of his MacBook Pro, just like this or something. And then the cord was a little longer than mine's, going to the USB-C port. What I like about this is that also, if you notice, in there or somewhere, it's going to light up to let you know that it's connected and it's transferring the whatever it is you're transferring in there. And it's a keychain, so that's pretty good, cool. Either a keychain or you could put it as a lanyard so you don't lose it. And yeah, there's USB Type-C. Also, note to mention, this also is compatible with, I believe, it's compatible with it is USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 USB-C to USB-C. And it is compatible with, I know it says it somewhere around here. I saw it. Oh, here we go. Works with Windows 11, Windows 10, Mac OS, and Android. Product of Thailand. Cool. Anyways, what I was gonna say is these USB-C cables, they usually look the same as the Thunderbolt 4.0 cables or 4.2 cables, and we're at Thunderbolt 5 or something, or Thunderbolt 3 or something. Anyways, so my MacBook Pro is Thunderbolt ready, but they told me that you don't need Thunderbolt to connect your, it's not going to do nothing. A Thunderbolt cable is not going to do nothing. It's going to be the same as this USB-C cable. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Because basically, the more, as you can see here, the more read and write speeds numbers, the higher the read and write speed number, the better the transfer rate when you're, let's say you have like a huge folder full of MP3s that you're going to use for DJing. Let's say it's 100 gigs. You'll be able to transfer, copy the 100 gigabyte MP3 folder directly to the external because you have a lot of read and write speed. And also, the reason also I wanted to make this video is in a keynote for DJing. When you DJ with, let's say, I don't know, the CDJs, I'm pretty sure when I look at the CDJs basically at a music festival, you could see all the DJs, they use flash drives, like, thumb drives, SanDisk thumb drives, if I'm not mistaken, on the side of the CDJ 3000s. But I'm sure you could use SSDs too, like these small ones. Obviously, you don't want something big. Anyways, and also what I'm trying to get at is the other way of DJing. There's the professional line of DJing, which is the CDJs 3000s and the A9 mixer from Pioneer DJ. Then you've got the other way of DJing, which is the Pioneer controllers, which obviously you would need MP3s, because with the CDJs, you're connecting your thumb drive onto the CDJ, and then the CDJs have the LED screen where you're able to like select your song, load your song onto that CDJ. Anyways, when you're using what I have, which is this is, it's an older controller. This is the Japanese Gold Edition DDJ 400. I'm trying to get a newer controller so I can DJ. Maybe the DDJ FLX4, or maybe the FLX6 GT, which is sold out. and has been sold out, and I haven't been able to get my hands on it for 2 years. And the FLX4 is starting to become a headache too because I can't seem to find it anywhere. I've been going to Guitar Center by my house and it's sold out too. So for now, I'm stuck with the DDJ 400 for now. But anyways, with these type of controllers, you need an external hard drive like this. That way, when you're on your software on Rekordbox or Seratos, you know, you could you upload the song from your external onto the deck, you know. Say for instance, deck A, you upload, you drag and drop the MP3 of the song you want. Well, actually, you use this. Yeah, you use the knob to select the song you want, and then depending on the deck you want to put it on, you put it on, and it'll load. But also, what I was trying to get at is the higher the read and write speed, the faster the song is gonna load on the respective deck that you're loading the song to while you're DJing, because you don't want an SSD that has a really low read and write speed, you know, and then all of a sudden, oh, this song's about to finish, and you're loading the next song over here, and boom, this song is taking long to load really badly, and that ruins your DJ live set, because then this one stops playing music, and then the whole dance floor is quiet with no music, and then I guess people will start booing you, and that's not good. So that's why I recommend really high read and write speeds, and so far this is the highest read and write speed. Even the other one, the SanDisk Pro G4, didn't have this much read and write speed. I mean, the read and write speed was 2000 and 2000, but this one is 2100. So I'm like, okay, I'll take this one. Plus they didn't have the other one, the SanDisk, so I can compare it to this one. Plus, either way, I wasn't going to get it because that was $336. And it's 4 terabytes. I don't think I need 4 terabytes. That's no. Anyways, there's really not much else to talk about. I just wanted to do the unboxing on this SSD that I'm going to be using for DJing. Also, note the fact the SSD that I have that does not work correctly, which is this one over here. It's my older SSD, if I can pull it out real quick. It's this one over here, this SanDisk. It's 1 terabyte. This is like modern, but I don't get why it's not compatible anymore with my MacBook. It's like it doesn't want to like read it or something. I don't know, like it doesn't want to pick it up when I connect the cable. And they told me it was because this cable is not the cable that came with this, so sometimes that's not gonna work out. So I'm like, oh, okay. But also, this SanDisk doesn't really have a good read and write speed, so it kind of slow for uploading your songs to the respective decks. So I was like, with this SSD, I noticed that when I would upload my songs to the respective decks, you know, it would like load the song, but really slowly. And I can't be having that while I'm DJing. So that's the issue there, you know. And as you can see, I use a MacBook Pro M1 chip, you know. I got my MacBook Pro right here, M1 chip, ready to go. And on the side I have, well, 3.5 headphone jack. And oh, here's my Thunderbolt ports right here. But I also use an adapter that has HDMI and all that, even though I just learned, because I don't know much about MacBooks, I just learned that with Thunderbolt cable, you could connect it to a Thunderbolt monitor. And that's really cool. And I guess that's how they do it at music festivals like EDC, Tomorrowland, and Ultra Music Festival, when they're doing the visuals on the monitors, on those big monitors on the main stages. But anyways, guys, I would have to let you go so I can do the firmware update on this. So always make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this exciting YouTube episode, and for me to teach you guys on the aspect of DJing when it comes to the external hard drive you need and the read and write speeds. And if you need any help out there picking out an external, or if you guys need any like DJ help because you guys want to start getting into DJing, let me know on the comments down below, and I'll see if I can reply to you as best as I can. Thanks and have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next episode.